How's it going, YouTube? It's APOC, and I'm going to show you how to do the TPMS relearn on a Chevy Express. This is a 2016, and before I waste any of your time, you need a special tool. I'll put a link to it in the description. I don't make any money off that link, so there's a cheaper one. Buy that one instead. Quick interjection here. These tools require a 9-volt battery, so I know a lot of people don't have many of these anymore, so make sure you do get one if you need to when you order it. But yeah, first thing I'm going to do is turn on the vehicle. So you only need to turn on the ignition. You don't need to actually start it. And you want to click this button until you see start TPMS relearn, or press check. There you go. And then you press this button. So it shows, press this button. It's going to honk and tell you that. Now you take your tool. You're start at whatever tire has the indicator light lit up. It'll light up to tell you. First one is the driver's side front. So you want to get next to your valve stem here on the tire and just hold down this button until the car honks. It's going to take a second for it to detect it. There you go. We got that one. Now this indicator light's going to light up. I'm going to do it the same thing. Hold it down until it honks. There you go. Now we come back to this one. Check your indicator light. There we go. So you're going to hold it down. And this can take even longer than that. On that one up there, it took like a whole minute one time holding it for it to actually detect it. Indicator light. Hold this down. So this one's being a little stubborn. Move it around there a little bit as well if it's struggling. And we are done. It'll go back to the screen. Go back to your info and check your tire pressures. Your rear one should be around 80. Your front should be around 50. There you go. At least on this exact model. I don't know, your tire pressures may change. Check the door right here. It'll tell you.